All right, how you doing, seventh and eighth graders? So if you're watching this video, it looks like you missed the Zoom. So I just wanted to give you guys a little rundown of what I expect from you guys today, which is Tuesday. So I have a Tuesday folder in there. There's basically two things. One is the video you're currently watching right now. And then the second thing I have, we're not doing anything new. I just have missing work because there's been quite a bit of you last Friday and the yesterday that actually haven't done their work yet. So I figured you can use today to hopefully get done your missing work before you guys go on break. So basically, I have three things in this missing work document that you need to make sure you get done before you return from break. First is the screen time assignment. That was in yesterday's folder. So if you have no idea what this is, I suggest going in Monday's folder and taking a look, watching the videos, reading the article, and answering the questions, okay, because that is graded. All right, and if it's not done by the time you guys get back, I believe I have to put in a zero. All right, so you want to make sure you guys get that done. The second thing was Everify Module 1 in the Ignition course. We did that last Friday. So, again, you want to check last Friday's folder, or you can check a folder called Everify Information that's in Schoology that tells you what you need to do, how to log in, things like that. Because, again, not a lot of you did that on Friday. And then finally, the last part was homework, which I gave before we left, which was the parent survey. Remember, your parents had to go in to the week one folder, take a look at the welcome paper that we covered, and then fill out the survey. So I have a link right here to the form. So if they click that, there is a link to the paper. They can read that and then make sure they fill this out by the time you return. If they don't, you get a zero. If they do, you will get a 5 out of 5. All right. And some of you did that already, and that's great. And then the other thing I have here is just a link to the missing work document. So in case you're not sure what you owe me. So for example, we have period 2, seventh graders. Okay. So we have Everify here. It only looks like about 5 of you finished and passed module 1. The rest of you need to do it. We have the homework, the parent survey. We have the welcome paper quiz, which is what we took. We took this quiz before we left, so there's a couple of you that need to do that. You can ignore this one, the Intro to App Lab. We'll do that when we come back. And then we have our screen time assignment, which you did yesterday, and I will update that. All right. Again, period. You guys can check this on your own. Again, period 4, eighth graders. Again, only a couple of you finished Everify. And then period 5, only 3 of you guys finished Everify. All right. So make sure you guys are getting your work done, even though you guys are at home. So this way, it's not marked missing or late or anything like that when you guys return from break. All right. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, and I will see you tomorrow.